Hi folks, Tim here from High and Cheap Tech. This morning we're going to talk about a couple of things, and then we'll hopefully enlighten you a little. If we do, give us a thumbs up. First, we're going to mention the MPOWs here. We'll get to those when we get to the meat of the matter, and then we're going to go over the three budget cell phones, smartphones, whatever you want to call them, that I've recommended for this year. We'll see some prices and links. Everything will be linked in the description below. Everything. Read the description below. Learn stuff. So let's get right to that intro so we don't bore you to death. This is the fourth time I recorded it. I accidentally deleted it 3 times. Maybe not this time. Oh, one last thing. I have the new Mobile G3 and I did buy this Studia case for it. I love this case. You know why I love this case? Because when you pick it up and hold the phone, it stays in your hand quite easily. Right now we're doing our videoing on the new Mobile G3, and when I put it in the gooseneck mount, I usually take it out of the case. It is slicker than owl piss, folks. That glass back might look pretty. It's pretty damn slippery. Okay, intro time. Let's go. Hey folks, I'm back. Now it's time for the heart of the matter here. We're going to go over a couple of things. First off, the MPOWs that I bought the other day. I'll link that in the description below. These excellent headphones. I got 3 days battery use out of them, and I did find out one important item that isn't covered in the owner's manual. I didn't know how to tell when they're running out of battery. Well, the MPOWs will tell you. It just very unceremoniously says, powering off. Took me 3 hours to charge it. So I charged it while I slept. Sort of. Kind of slept. And we're back to using them. I got these on just so I can review the video as I do it. You sometimes can't tell, but there's a lot of breaks. Got a beautiful sunny morning out here. 4 days ago it was 12 degrees. It's now like 50, which is like 48 degrees warmer. Trust me. $38 degrees warmer. It's nice. Blue skies. Super day. Couple of things. We're going to go over. I had the 3 phones you might want to look at for 2019. We're going to kind of rehash those real quick. The Xiaomi Redmi Note 7. Couple of reviews out there on it. One from Chris over at Tech Tablets. ASBYT has actually given one away. I'll link both their videos in the description below. Like everything else I mention. Description below. Read it. You might learn something. The 48 megapixel camera it's interpolated 48 megapixel. Not the greatest thing since sliced bread, apparently. On the other hand, we have the Umidigi F1. Got a hands-on review from TechRite. he did an unbox kind of thing. They sent him one. Well, they were supposed to send him one. He just went out and bought it. Right now it's $278 on Amazon. Go to this link at GearBest. It's a whole lot cheaper. Yeah, like $239, which puts it in the same range as that new mobile G4 coming out, which is going to be like $249. And then next we have the new mobile G4. Well, the one thing it's got over all the others we've have talked about or will talk about is it's got wireless charging. Super cool. And I'm still going to recommend, in addition to the other ones that I have recommended, the new mobile G3. It's just a great, it's what we're recording on right now. It works. Yeah, it's a pain in the ass that I can't just use the built-in mic, but open camera works. Android 8, I can live with that. The new mobile G4 is going to have Android 9. Very, very good. More battery, more money. And then I'm still going to recommend this guy right here from, you can get it at GearBest, or here, you can get it at Amazon. One site you're going to pay like $214, the other one you're going to pay $209. You can get a few more colors over at GearBest. If you want to wait 20 days, 25 days, the Chinese New Year starts tomorrow or the next day. Yeah, so you're going to be waiting because they got to put their dragon suits on and go through the streets and set off firecrackers and whatever else it is they do in China. So hopefully we'll get some folks in here for the premiere, or we have folks in here. If you did show up, thanks. Also, if you didn't watch the initial unbox and review of the MPOW, we got a little giveaway going there. If you're a subscriber, right now we got one guy who is technically entered. He said, "I hope I win." You're supposed to use, hashtag I want to win in your comment. But so far, he's pretty much guaranteed to win the 3 little dongles I'm giving away. And that's all I got. Thanks for watching. Have a fantastic day. We'll try to pump something out before the Super Bowl. Have a great, wonderful Sunday. Super Sunday. Make some chili. Put some cheese in it. Add hot sauce. Thanks.